Graduating from Yakima Valley College means it was a foundation to allow me to be more successful.
I felt like it was a great achievement for me because I never imagined I could have done it, you know?
It's fun and also exciting because I can meet new people and the people are awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty and staff, proud families and friends, community members, and most importantly, the graduates of today's ceremony. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jaspinder Kaur, and it's truly an honor to stand before you as we celebrate this incredible milestone. Welcome to Yakima Valley College's 96th commencement ceremony.
My next steps after graduation are attending the University of Washington, the Bothell campus, to pursue a degree in mechanical engineering.
After I'm going to transfer to Central to complete my major in psychology.
You are now college graduates. Congratulations!
YVC helped me a lot. It's a great way to start, your journey.